Hi, I'm Mark Rackley.
And I'm Stephanie Donahue, and we want to let you know about a workshop that we're going to be conducting at SharePoint Fest in DC this coming March. We will be talking about maximizing your utilization in Office 365. So, Mark, tell us all about the workshop.
I was hoping you could tell me because, no, we realize that a lot of organizations struggle with exactly how to get started with Office 365, wrapping your arms around it. Like, we've got this thing that got dropped in our lap. There's all these apps out there, these applications. What do they mean? What does this mean for my organization? How do I get started? What's the impact? What about security? How do we deploy this? I mean, there's a lot going on.
That's a lot to talk about in one day.
It is a lot to talk about in one day.
But we are going to be doing an overview. So we're hopefully going to break it down into manageable pieces so that you can learn a little bit about each of the technologies, even touching on things like Sway and Planner and some of the smaller applications as well as the larger, bigger picture.
Yeah, so we hope that you come away from this workshop with an understanding of what all the pieces and parts are of Office 365, what they mean, and maybe come away with some ideas on how you can use them in your organization. And I think that Stephanie's going to do a little bit of deployment planning in that as well.
Yeah, so I have a second workshop on the second day for SharePoint deployment planning. And if that's something where you come to our workshop the first day and you decide, man, I'd really like to learn more about how maybe to map these things, these technologies into my organization for things that's specific to me, then that's what my SharePoint deployment planning is all about. So make sure to join us on the first day on, what is that, Monday?
March 26th, I believe,
Yeah,
I think so.
and then join me on Tuesday for that deep dive deployment planning session.
And if she's going to plug her workshop on the second day, I have to plug mine. So for all you developers out there, I have a great introduction full day workshop on Tuesday for introduction to client-side development. And this will really help you take your SharePoint applications and SharePoint sites to the next level in a very easy to follow way so that you can maximize your Office 365 environment.
All right. Well, we hope to see you there.
Thanks. How do I stop this?
Stop recording.